What's going on? My name is NFT Flenny, and today I will be giving you guys my Veve blind box drop strategy. So I previously made a video about my drop strategy when it comes to the traditional drops. Blind boxes are a bit different, and that's what I'll be covering here. I tested this out for the USPS stamp drop and it worked, so now I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. Now, I mean, technically I didn't need to share this stuff. I could have kept a few more blind boxes for myself, but if you guys appreciate me sharing some knowledge, please consider liking and subscribing and turning on that notification bell because it really helps my channel grow. And you can also stay tuned for more drop strategies, more tips, just like this one. And as always, this is not financial advice and will never be financial advice. Let's get into the video. So here we have the timer with seconds left until the drop. It doesn't look like I'm doing anything, but I promise you I am. And that's because I am tapping furiously in between that little sliver between the notify me and the drop description. So this is kind of like a line gate in a sense where you're just tapping an area, except it's different because you're not lining up the error message and you're not getting rid of an error message. You're just tapping in anticipation of where the button will pop up. So it's similar, not exactly the same. So I've been watching film for my previous drops and I realized that that's where the button pops up. Normally we see the buy now button and we can just keep tapping if you're doing a line gate, or you can just know where to tap when if you time it up, whatever. But for this, the buy now button is not visible. So it pops up when the countdown ends. Like I said, I saw where it pops up from previous drops where I screen record. So I was able to predict where it was gonna be and just jam that area. But if you watch this channel, you guys know that we did not stop on the drop. We of course went for the rebound. So I'll show a video of how that looked. I mean, it's not very flashy, but it gets the job done. If you guys have seen my videos before, you already know how this goes. All I'm doing is I'm just hitting buy now, going in and out, just keep trying it and just hope that I actually get the reserve button pop up again, which this time it actually did. I kind of was not expecting it. I was kind of even half looking at my phone. I just kept tapping, and one of the times it popped back up. So I was able to get two. Not much more to that one. I mean, we all know how the rebound works by now. And if you don't, now you know. It's very, very simple. It's just trial and error, basically. So there you guys go. That was my Veve blind box drop strategy. Hopefully you guys can put it to good use. Let me know if you'll be using it in the comments. Let me know if you are successful using this strategy. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this one. And of course, stay tuned for all the latest news, tips, general thoughts, and excitement about Veve and Ecomi. With all that being said, I'll wrap it up here. My name is NFT Flenny. I'll see you guys next time.